can either run the equipment locally, LOC loc, or remote, which would be to use the remote control. So I'll demonstrate it first in local. You can only switch when the fans are stopped. Make sure your disconnect is on, your fan overloads are on. Reverse is air moving towards the back of the unit. Forward is air going frontwards. Your speed control in local is the up and down arrows. Right now it's set for 30 hertz. So it's 0 to 60 hertz, it's set for 50% fan speed. So simply press reverse. The fans will start and gradually ramp up to the preset speed of 30 hertz, which is 50%. When I press the up arrow, I can increase the speed all the way to 60 hertz, which is full fan speed. So it's moving a lot of air. To reverse direction, I can either stop it and then press forward, or simply press forward, and the VFD programming ramps it down in whichever direction it was spinning, reverse out the rear, and then starts it in a direction I just changed it to, and you'll see it's now forward. So whether forward or reverse airflow is going to be best for your operation, only you will tell. So right now I'll just stop it. We're going to put it in remote and demonstrate the push button remote control. So once it stops, we'll toggle it from local to remote. Now these buttons don't work anymore, and you have to use the remote control, which has a start button and a potentiometer for speed. So mid setting will be around 50% or 30 hertz. It's still indicated on the VFD. And if I want to change speed, I simply turn the dial. We can stop it. But at the end of this demonstration, I'm going to put it back in local mode so the keypad once again works. I will also turn the fan speed down to 30 hertz, which is half speed, so when it starts up it won't be at full speed, and you can either go down or up and fine tune as you might want. So like most of these digital things, it goes too fast. Then if we just press reverse, it'll start and stops it. End of demonstration. Thank you. The Jet Ready, Jim Still.